Hello, good morning students. I hope you all are taking care of yourself. So today we are going to start with the past tense. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Hello everyone. So we will be continuing with our topic tenses. We have completed present tense and today we are going to start with the past tense. So let us first learn what is past tense. Past tense, a verb denoting an action that has taken place in the past. In simple words, just an action that is completed in the past, an action that has already been performed is called past tense. Okay, so any action or activity that you have completed previously is known as past tense. Any action that has been completed or any activity that has been completed is past tense. Fine. Now just like present tense, past tense is also of four types. First is simple past tense. Second is past continuous tense. Third is past perfect tense. And fourth one is past perfect continuous tense. So as I've already told you, present tense, past tense and future tense, all three tense, they are divided into four types. So today we are going to study about the first two, that is simple past tense and past continuous tense. Fine. Again I am telling you, any activity that has been completed is known as past tense. Okay, anything that is completed, that has been done, is past tense. So let us start with simple past tense. Okay, we use this tense to talk about things that has happened in the past. As I've already told you, simple past tense means anything that has been completed in the past or the thing that has been done previously. Fine. So simple past tense talk about the things that happened in the past, things that has been done before. Like for example, Grandpa played with marbles when he was young. Now here we are talking that grandfather, he used to play with marbles when he was young. So he was young previously, at that time he used to play with marbles. Fine. So the playing thing, it has been done in past. So it is past tense. He used to play when he was young. Okay. People used oil lamps in the evening 50 years ago. Now the activity has been done 50 years ago. People used to lit oil lamps in the evening 50 years ago. Again we are talking about an event that has been done in the past. So it is past tense. So simply any activity that has been completed in the past is known as past tense. Okay. Anything that has been completed previously is past tense. Now let us see the formation of simple past tense. There is a very simple rule. You use second form of verb in simple past tense. Fine. So for making positive form, you use second form of verb. Like as you can see, I, you, he, she, it, we, they started. Start is verb's first form. Started is second form of the verb. So we are using second form of the verb in simple past tense. Like I bought a car. Bring is verb's first form. Bought is second form. Okay. So in simple past tense we use second form of the verb. For negative we use did, not. Fine. In simple present tense we use do or does. In simple past tense we use did. Again it is negative, so we use not with it. One more important thing that you should remember is for negative and interrogative we use verbs first form, and for positive we use verbs second form. Fine. For simple past tense, for positive form, we are going to use verbs second form. For negative and interrogative, we will use verbs first form. And in simple present tense, we use do or does. And in simple past tense, we use did. I did not start. As you can see, start is verb's first form. So for negative, I am using verb's first form. For positive, I have made it started, that is second form. I did not buy a car. Okay, did plus not buy is verb's first form, and for positive it is bought, that is second form. For question, did will come in the beginning and then the rest of the sentence. Did you buy a car? Okay, so in simple you just need to remember, for simple past tense, in positive form you are going to use verb's second form. For negative, did not will come, and in question or interrogative form, did will come in the beginning. But for negative and interrogative form, you are going to use verb's first form, and for positive you will use verb's second form. Okay, like I started. Fine, started is second form of the verb. For negative and question, I will use did. I did not start. Start is verb's first form. Again, you can see with in negative, I have used first form of the verb. Similarly, in interrogative also, did I start? Again, verb's first form is there. You started. Started is second form of the verb. For negative, I will use did. You did not or didn't start. Again, it's first form, and this is second form of the verb. Fine. So, we are going to use second form of the verb for positive. For negative or interrogative, we will use did, and we are going to use verb's first form. Okay. Simple. This is simple past tense. We are going to use verb second form for positive. For negative and question sentences, we are going to use verb's first form, and we are going to use did. Okay. Next, we are going to study about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense express the action or task that were ongoing in the past. We cannot determine when the action started or finished. For an ongoing action that is related to the past, it is known as past continuous tense. Simple rule, we are going to use was or were, and we are going to use verb's first form plus ing. Okay, in present continuous tense, we were using ismr plus verb's first form plus ing. In past continuous tense, we are going to use was were plus verb's first form plus ing. Okay, for negative we will add not, and in interrogative was or were will come in front. Now you know with singular we use was, with plural we use were. So very simple rule, we are going to use was or were plus verb's first form plus ing. Like he was traveling to Venice. He was not traveling to Venice. Was he traveling to Venice? Okay. Was were is there, verb's first form is there, travel is verb's first form, we have added ing to it. For making negative, we have added not. For question, was or were will come in front. Okay. Now here are some examples. I was playing. I was not playing. Was I playing? As you can see, was is there, play is verb's first form, we have added ing to it. You were playing. You were not playing. Were you playing? Okay, again we have added was or were, verb's first form plus ing. He, she, it was playing. He, she, it was not playing. Was he, she, it playing? Similarly, we, you, they were playing. We, you, they were not playing. Were we, you, they playing? Okay, so very simple. You have to just use was or were plus verb's first form plus ing in past continuous tense. For negative, you are going to add not. For interrogative, was were will come in front. Okay, so we have started two parts today. First is simple past tense. In simple past tense, we are going to use verb's second form, and for negative or question interrogative sentences, did will come and verb's first form will come. For past continuous tense, we are going to use was or were plus verb's first form plus ing. Okay. Next two we are going to study in our next class. This is your homework. Exercise A, you have to use simple past or past continuous tense. First try to do it yourself and then you can check the answers. This is second exercise. In this you have to use past continuous tense. Okay, so you are going to use was or were plus verbs first form plus ing. Okay, the next two we are going to do in our next class. Thank you.